KCRA3 weather as we get a look at, take our word for it, that's Sacramento. That's from our tower, looking across some of the condos here over in the Creamery area. And boy, you just can't make really anything out at all, Dirk. And it's interesting because Andrea and I were talking when we came in today, it was sunny for like 2 seconds and then boom, this sets in.
You had a little window there.
Yeah.
Because, it was foggy when I came in and it's been foggy. It came back, the fog did. And let's get above the fog, though. Let's go ahead and take a trip up to Lake Tahoe, where the sun is setting, and it's beautiful with clear skies. There's going to be a few clouds coming in later on tonight, but right now it's looking gorgeous around Lake Tahoe. Oh, I've missed this camera there on the south shore of Lake Tahoe. Though we do expect in the valley some more fog, of course. We're already seeing that, but it's going to get pretty thick in some areas, especially the areas where it cleared out. It comes in with a vengeance, and so that's going to really drop visibilities. Morning temperatures ranging in the upper 30s to lower 40s, so it's going to be a chilly start tomorrow morning. But tonight, what's interesting is we have a geomagnetic storm going on. The sun has just hurtled a whole bunch of charged particles towards the earth, and we could see some aurora that could get visible. And again, get out there before the clouds start coming in. So that's what's going on there. Right now, temperature in Sacramento is 45 degrees. We have 49 degrees in Stockton, 47 degrees in Modesto, and Lake Tahoe currently 36 degrees. So what we're talking about here is what's called a G4 class magnetic storm, geomagnetic storm. There is a G5, so there could be bigger ones, but this is still going to be it's in the category of severe. And what this does is it can have an impact on power grids. Just so you can get some areas where you get the breakers better kind of turning off because of those currents. The flow can get increased as we have this geomagnetic storm going on. Space operations can be affected by this, radio and satellite communications, but then again we also get the aurora, and with this kind of storm we could see it as low as Northern California, so around 45 degrees latitude. So if you get above the fog, then you might be able to view with this. So the view line is just to the north of California, but in a situation like this in the past we have been able to see it, especially if you get your phones out that are a little bit more light sensitive, and you should be able to get a view of possible aurora tonight. So I'd love to hear from you. If you do go out and you do see some aurora, let us know about it. Give us some pictures if you take those pictures as well. But those folks in the valley are not going to be seeing much aurora. It's just going to be foggy. We're already seeing dense fog from Sacramento all the way up past Yuba City, Lincoln, Sacramento International Airport, Rancho Cordova, all below quarter-of-a-mile visibility. We're seeing thick fog out towards Fairfield as well there in Solano County, and Modesto starting to get a little bit thicker. Still not too bad at 2.5 miles of visibility, but Stockton, Tracy, not bad at all, 6 to 8 miles of visibility. Air quality, this is an issue when we get the situation with the inversion that sets in, and so air quality becomes more of an issue with moderate levels of particulates in the air right now. Again, we talked about the cloud cover. Yeah, we're seeing a few clouds moving in from the south as a weather system is going to move through. Now we'll still have the fog through tonight and into tomorrow, even with the cloud cover building up. Looks like that fog is going to stick around. In fact, cloud cover is going to get thicker as we go from Tuesday into Wednesday. We're looking at mostly cloudy to cloudy skies by Wednesday afternoon, but no rain. It's going to be dry. We're looking at conditions that are just going to be foggy over the next several days. So your 7-day forecast, let's go ahead and take a look. No rain. We're looking at morning fog. Could become less of an issue as we get closer toward the weekend, as we get some winds that maybe could help to mix out some of that fog, but right now we're looking at just that fog and haze over the next several days.
Yeah, feels like we've gotten used to it at this point.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dirk, thanks.